Yes, good evening, children. So, some of you didn't write the test. I want you, all of you, to attend the classes and test properly. So, today, let us learn a new lesson called Getting to Know Plants. Okay, it is the seventh lesson of you, Getting to Know Plants. So, before going into the lesson, I'll tell you the summary of the lesson. Just recap, okay, what it has, what is the content of this lesson. I'll tell you. So, first of all, we are going to learn about the types of plants. See, not all plants are same. They are different in size, color, and its flowers and fruits are different. Okay, and interiorly we learn about the generally we know the parts of plants, but in this lesson we learn about the parts of leaf, interior parts of leaf, flower, etc. Okay? Yes. So go outside and observe all the plants around you. Do you see that some plants are small, some are very big, while some are just patches of green on the soil? Can you name any one small plant, children? Yes, rose. Just you can. Any other? Mint, coriander leaves. So those are small plants. Okay. And name any one big plant. Yes, you can take bajra plant, wheat plant, sugarcane, etc. And you can see some patches on the green on the soil. See, mostly grasses. Okay, they will form a green color cover on the soil. Some have huge red flowers and some have tiny blue ones. See, some plants have big flowers and some plants have small flowers. See, a small plant, a tree which bears a small flower is ixora flower. So it is coming from the trees. It can grow as a trees. Okay, jasmine, it is a flower which comes from plant. So everything is different. Okay, we do see a variety of plants existing all around us, near our homes, in the garden, in the school ground, on the way to school, or in the parks and gardens, isn't it? So, in a place, not all plants can be of same size. So, wherever you see garden, school ground, park, wherever the plants may be of different sizes. Okay? Yes. Let us get to know the different parts of any plant. This will help us to understand the difference between plants of different kinds. Okay? So, we have discussed that not all plants of same type. So, commonly, what are all the parts are there in a plant? Root, leaf, stem, bud, fruit, etc. Okay? This is common for all plants, but certain plants have some more additional parts. Okay? So, by that only we can differentiate them into different types. Okay? Yes. Let us go on a nature walk. What do you mean by nature walk, children? Yes, somewhere it should be a greeny park or garden. In that place we are walking. Okay, that is what nature walk, by observing the nature and enjoying the nature. Okay, make friends with many different kinds of plants and examine them closely. Okay, so here see there, one girl is observing a small plant and one boy is touching and seeing one tall plant, and one boy is hugging the tree. Yes, yes. See, it is a big tree, so he cannot hug it properly. Okay. See, herbs, shrubs, trees. So here the plant have classified into three categories. First one is herbs, second one is shrubs, and third one is trees. Okay. See, from the name itself, can you tell me the difference? What is the difference majorly it come in the parts of plant? Yeah, very good. See, mostly herbs have stem and shrubs have little trunk and short narrow trunk, and trees have big and broad trunk. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, activity 1, look closely at the stem and branches of plants much smaller than you. See, you just go for a nature walk. If your plant is so small than you, just touch it and check the stem. Okay. And second one, the plants that are about your size. See, for example, you can take sugar cane or bajra plant and all. It is of your size. Okay. And one more. Maybe sometimes rose plant also. Okay, just check that stem. And plants which are taller than you, mostly trees. Okay, check they have stem or they have trunk. Check it. Feel their stem and try to bend them gently to see if they are tender or hard. See, for example, if you take a mint plant, its stem is very weak. If you bend it, it will break. Okay, but if you try this with a rose stem, it will be little hard. And again, if you go and try with some big trees, it is so much hard. Okay. See, you have to complete this table, children. Okay. See, you have to observe tomato plant, lemon plant, and 3 more plants. Whatever you like, you can take. Just fill the column. So you have to observe the height. You have to write shorter than Mia, or much taller than Mia, or slightly taller than Mia. It's depend upon the plant's height. You have to denote it here. Okay, in this column, you have to observe the stem. What color it is, whether it is green or not, whether it is tender or not, thick or not, and hard or not. You have to just write here. And where do the branches appear? At the branches where, for example, in the mint plant mostly we can see less number of branches, but in the rose plant there will be more branches. You just observe that where it has dotted branches, where does the branches dotted. So whether it can be at the base of the stem or higher up on the stem. Okay, அதாவது அந்த ஸ்டெம் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகிற இடத்துலையே பிரான்ச்சஸ் விட்டுருக்கா, இல்லை ஸ்டெம் வந்து முடிகிற இடத்துல பிரான்ச்சஸ் விட்டுருக்கா? ஜஸ்ட் செக் இட் அவுட். அண்ட் காலம் 4, see herb or tree or shrub. So herbs are mostly they have weak stem. Okay, and trees they have a hard stem, they have a trunk, and shrubs have little hard stem. Okay, so by this you can classify them as a herb, tree, shrub. Okay, usually shrubs are below our height. Okay, clear? Okay, yes. Here, take care that stem does not break. Hug all tall plants to see how thicker their stems are. We also need to notice from where the branches grow in some plants, close to the ground or higher up on the stem. Okay. You can fill column 1, 2, 3 for many more plants. Fill the column 4 after you have studied later part of this session. Okay, you just fill till column 3 alone. Okay, after understanding this concept clearly, you can just go for column 4. Based on the characters, mostly plants are classified into 3 categories: herbs, shrubs, trees. Okay, plants are of 3 types, that are herb, shrub, tree. So you can see the picture here. Herb means it has a very weak stem, and shrub has little a narrow stem. We can say that as a narrow trunk, okay, and tree has a big trunk, okay. Yes. See here, plants with green and tender stems are called herbs. Okay, green, it should be green stem and it is so tender, very soft. They are called herbs. Okay, you can take mint, coriander leaf, curry leaves, okay, like this. And they are usually short and may not have many branches. Okay, some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. If you take jasmine plant or a rose plant, it starts to give the branches from the base itself. Okay, நல்லா பார்த்துருக்கீங்கன்னா ரோஸ் செடி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அடியிலேருந்தே தண்டு விட்டுருக்கும், கிளைகள் இருக்கும் பார்த்தீங்களா. ஸோ தோஸ் ஸ்டெம்ஸ் ஆர் ஹார்ட் பட் நாட் வெரி திக். கொஞ்சம் பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும், பட் இட் இஸ் நாட் வெரி திக். நீங்கள் ரொம்ப ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுத்து உடச்சிங்க அப்படின்னா இட் கேன் பி பிரேக்கபிள். ஓகே, அண்ட் some plants are very tall and they have hard and thick brown stem. These stems have branches in their upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. So even trees also have a very thick and broad brown stem. And the brown stem தான் நம்ம ட்ரங்க்னு சொல்கிறோம், ஓகேவா. ஸோ brown stem, it has a branches only at the top of the stem. Okay, மரம்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கீழே கிளைகள் இருக்காது, மேலே தான் இருக்கும் இல்லையா. எஸ், ஸோ those are called trees. Okay children, so with this we will conclude this session. Tomorrow let us